For this grinding cluster stitch pattern, I'll be using irregular yarn, 2 strands of irregular yarn. I'll be using 5mm crochet hook. I'll be using 5mm crochet hook. I advise you use either this hook or a bigger hook because it's a kind of firm stitch. It's a firm stitch. This is my 2 strands. Start with a magic. I'm starting with a slip knot. This stitch is an even number stitch. That's you are working with an even number like 2, 4 and the likes. So for this simple swatch, I'll be making a chain of 30. I'm making 30 chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 29, 30. So on the next stitch, I'm making a single crochet. On the following stitch, I'll be making a single crochet. So I made 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. I'll make a chain 1, skip 1 chain and 1 single crochet in the following stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in the last 2 stitches. Chain 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, turn your work. Right now we are going to be working into this chain 1 space, all the chain 1 spaces. So now for the grinding cluster stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, put through, yarn over and put through 2, yarn over, insert your hook the second time, yarn over, put through, yarn over and put through 2, yarn over the third time, insert your hook, yarn over, put through 2 and put through the remaining one. Chain 1. I hope you understand. So right now let's work on the second chain 1 space. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, put through, yarn over, put through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, put through, yarn over, put through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, put through, yarn over, put through 2, yarn over and put through chain 1. Put through 2 and put through the remaining one, chain 1. So right now we are going to make 1 double crochet on the very last single crochet, on the very last single crochet. Chain 1, turn your work. So now we are going to be making one single crochet right at the beginning stitch and the next stitch, chain one single crochet in this chain one space, chain one single crochet in this chain one space, chain one. So that will continue working our one single crochet in the chain one space and chain one. If you are finding this video very educative, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Chain one single crochet in this space and one single crochet on that chain 3 also. So this is what we have. So next is to make chain 3 and turn our work. 1 2 3. So right now we're going to be working on this chain 1 space. Pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 and pull through the remaining one, chain 1. One thing I love about this stitch is that we only have one side of the front of the right side and one side of the wrong side. Hope you understand. The right side is neat, just one side, and this is the wrong side. As you can see, the cluster stitches align on each other very straight, and it's a solid stitch with my 5mm crochet. So how solid it is. So I'll be showing you how one more row of how to go about it. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet into this beginning stitch, single crochet into this chain 1 stitch, chain 1, and continue working your single crochet, chain 1. One single crochet, chain 1 single crochet in this last space and one single crochet into the chain 3 space also, chain 3. Turn your work and work your granny cluster stitch into this chain 1 space to chain 1 space. So we'll continue working our granny stitch chain 1 till we get to the very last chain 1 space. So we are at the end of this our swatch. So if you are making for any item, baby blankets, baby wear, blanket, scarf, or any wears, just take measurement of how, just take your measurement and count your the number of stitches and work out your main project. I have a video of a dungarees I made with these stitches. It's very beautiful. I would love if you can check it out. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and switch on the notification button. Check out my other videos, and I'm very sure you really love them. Alright, now see you in my next video. Bye.